Salam and good day everyone. Okay, so today we will be going through chapter 1, okay, introduction to system analysis and design. So this course, okay, we are going to get concerned with how system is designed and analyzed. Okay. So this is the outline for this topic. Okay, so for the first one, we are going to learn the role of system analysis and design. Okay, and then for the second one, who develops information system. Third one, systems development tools and techniques. Okay, and next we have systems development methods. Okay. And lastly, the systems development life cycle, or known as SDLC. Okay, first of all, the role of a system analysis and design. Okay. So, the definition of information technology, okay, is the combination of software, hardware, and services that people use to manage, access, communicate, and share information. Okay. For the definition of the system analysis and design, or known as SAD, is a step-by-step process for developing high-quality information system. Okay, so moving on to the information system definition. Okay, it combines IT, okay, people, and data to support business requirement. So for the role of a system analyst, okay, is a person that plans, okay, develop and maintain the information system. Okay. So for example, okay, information system handle daily business transactions, improve company productivity, and help managers make sound decision. Okay. So basically, the IT department team include system analysts. Okay. In any IT department or in any IT company, okay, they will have their own system analysts, okay, who plan, develop, and maintain information system. Okay, so moving on to the who develops information system. Okay, traditionally, we develop inside company, or we call it as in-house development, okay, or in-house application, or in-sourcing. Okay, for the in-sourcing, okay, we purchase the software packages, okay, from outside vendors, and we try to enhance, or we try to modify based on our requirement. Okay. So, but nowadays or today's, okay, mostly the internet-based application services, okay, is a custom solution from an IT consultant, okay, or we call it as outsourcing. Mostly company like TNB, okay, mostly they are outsourced from IT company, okay, from IT consultant, okay, to develop their system, okay, to develop, for example, maybe to develop their, for TNB, maybe to develop their customer complaint management system, okay. Or for example, another example would be the, okay, government, okay, for example, they have their e-procurement system, right? Okay. For e-procurement system is outsourcing or developed by e-commerce.com company. in Cyberjaya. Okay. So that are the example of the outsourcing, meaning that we hire from another company to develop a system for our company. Okay. Okay. To consider implementing IS, okay, the company must has a clear set of objectives by outlining its business needs and identifying possible IT solution. Okay. So next, you need to determine what the system is supposed to do. Okay. And lastly, you need to decide how the system will be implemented. So meaning that you have your group project title, your group assignment title. Okay. You need to have a clear set of objective. Okay. And then you must determine what kind of system that you want to do. Okay. What kind of system that you will be implement. Okay. For your depending on your project title. Okay. Alright. So basically, moving on to the information system components. Okay. A system is a set of related components that produce specific result. Okay. So a mission critical system is one that is vital to a company's operation. Okay. So data that has been changed into a useful form of output. Okay. That is the system. Okay. So information systems have 5 key components. Okay. Okay. There are 5 key components: people, process, hardware, software, and also the data. Okay. So moving on to the hardware. Okay. Basically, hardware is a computer, okay, and it's prepared equipment including input, okay, output, and storage devices. Okay. So basically, hardware includes data communication equipment. Okay. Maybe servers, okay, workstations, okay, network, telecommunications, okay, and etc. Okay. So this is the examples. Okay, of the hardware. Okay, and then moving on to the software. Okay, so software refers to the programs that control the hardware and produce the desired information or result. Okay, so it consists of system software and also the application software. Okay, so for the system software, it manages the hardware components. Okay, which can include a single workstation or a global network with many thousands of clients. Okay, so for example, system software, operating system, okay, OS, okay, security software or device drivers. Okay, for the application software, it consists of programs that support day-to-day business functions and provide users with the information they require. Okay, so for example, enterprise application include order processing system, okay, payroll system, okay, and company communications and network. Okay, so there are another example, okay, horizontal system, vertical system, and also the legacy system. Okay, so next we have the data. Okay, so data is the raw material that an information system transforms into useful information. Okay, so in a typical payroll system, okay, data is stored in separate tables, okay, which are joined together to form a database that contains all the information. Okay, next, okay, processes. Okay, so processes describe the task and business function that users, managers, and IT staff members perform to achieve specific result. Okay, so basically to build a successful information system, okay, analyst or system analyst must understand business process and document them carefully. Okay, so people is who have an interest in an information system are called stakeholder. So stakeholders include the management group responsible for the system, the users, okay, or end users inside and outside the company that will interact with the systems, and IT staff members, okay, such as systems analysts, programmers, network administrators, okay, who develop and support the system, okay, basically the department of IT or IT department. Alright, so moving on to the system development tools and technique. Okay, basically system analysts must know how to use a variety of techniques such as modeling, prototyping, and computer-aided system engineering tools to plan, design, and implement information system. So they work with these tools in a team environment. Okay, so for the modeling, okay, a system analyst can describe and simplify an information system by using a set of business, data, object, and also the process models. Okay, so for the prototyping is the early working version of an information system or initial prototype. Okay, initial version, okay, of the system. Okay. So for the computer-aided system engineering or CASE tool, okay, it is powerful software to help system analysts develop and maintain, okay, the information system. Okay, so moving on to the system development methods. Okay, we have structure analysis. Okay, it's the traditional system development technique. Basically uses the system development life cycle or SDLC, okay, to plan, analyze, okay, design, implement, and support an information system. Okay. Okay, next we have the object-oriented analysis. Okay, it combines data and the processes that act on the data into things called objects. Okay, so basically SA use OO to model real-world business processes and operations. Okay, so for the systems development methods, okay, there are joint application development, JAD. Okay, it uses team-based approach. Okay, so for this JAD method, okay, it focuses on fact-finding. Okay, which is only one phase of the development process. Okay, so for the second one is the rapid application development. Okay, or RAD. Okay, RAD. Okay, it uses also the team-based approach. Okay, same with JAD. Okay, but a compressed version of the entire development process. Okay. Okay, moving on to the SDLC. Okay, basically, what is SDLC? SDLC is a process followed for a software project within a software organization. Okay, so it consists of a detailed plan, okay, describing how to develop, how to maintain, okay, how to replace and alter or enhance specific software or a system. Okay, so basically the life cycle defines a methodology for improving the quality of software and the overall development process. Okay. Okay, moving on to the 5 steps of SDLC. Okay, for the first step, system planning. For the second step, systems analysis, followed up by the system design. Okay, and next we have system implementation, and lastly systems operation, support, and security. Okay, so basically you need to remember the 5 steps of software development life cycle. Okay. Alright, so explanation on the SDLC. Okay, so for the system planning, okay, the purpose of the system planning is to identify the nature, okay, and the scope of the business opportunity or problem. So basically, okay, before you do any project or any system, okay, you need to identify the problem of the current system, okay, problem of the business. Okay, so basically the activity will be the system request. Okay, so begins the process and describes problems or desired changes that you want, okay, that client want. Okay, so you must include preliminary investigation, okay, initial investigation, okay, meaning that the key part is a feasibility study. Okay, so the deliverable for planning is preliminary investigation report. Okay, next we have the system analysis. Okay, so the purpose of the system analysis is to build a logical model of the new systems. Okay, so for these activities you need to perform fact finding using techniques. Okay, so for example, interviews, survey, document review, observation, and also the sampling. Okay, sampling technique. So basically you need to do some maybe interview session with for example, if you want to do the laundry management system, maybe you need to interview with the owner of the laundry laundry shop. Okay, maybe you need to do some survey. Okay, with everyone, okay, regarding their situation when they want to send their clothes, okay, to the laundry shop. Okay, maybe you need to do some observation, okay, regarding the process of the laundry itself. Okay, build business models, okay, data and also process models, okay, and object models. Okay, so the deliverable for this space, okay, for the system analysis space, okay, is the system requirements document. Okay, so next we have the system design. Okay, the purpose of the system design to create a physical model that will satisfy all document requirements for the system. Okay, so the activity will be you need to design the user interface, okay, and identify necessary outputs, inputs, and processes. Okay, and you must avoid misunderstanding through manager and user involvement, okay, in this phase. Okay, because the deliverable for this phase is the system design specification. Okay, so you need to discuss very detailed with your team manager. Okay, next, okay, moving on to the system implementation. Okay, the purpose of the system implementation, okay, is a new system. Okay, new system is constructed, complete, functioning, and documented IS. Okay, so the activity in this phase, okay, is to write, test, and document programs, okay, and convert the data to new systems file. Okay, so users, managers, IT staff trained to operate and support the system. Okay, so deliverable will be the system evaluation. Okay, and next we have the system operation and support. Okay, so basically it's the process of maintains and enhance the system. Okay, so maintenance changes, correct errors and adapt to changes in the environment. Okay, so for the system development guidelines, okay, you need to stick to a plan. Okay, you must involve with the users. Okay, you need to identify milestones. Okay, meaning that you need to implement a Gantt chart. Okay, regarding your base. Okay, regarding your based on the methods. Okay, so you need to establish the checkpoints. Okay, be flexible, and lastly, provide accurate and reliable cost and benefit information. Okay, to the end users. So this is some extra for this topic. Okay, so this is the IT department. Okay, so the head will be the Director Information Technology. So under the Director Information Technology, have the system support, okay, application development, database administration, okay, user support, network admin, okay, web support, and also the QA, quality assurance. Okay, so here are the mapping course topic with SDLC pace. Okay, so you can okay, can see this one. Okay, based on our topic 1 until topic 9. Okay, mapping with the SDLC. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay,